to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Made It crew. Today I'm just going to do a really quick tutorial on a flyer that I made in Photoshop. I'm just going to recreate it in Canva just to give you all like a cute flyer to make it seem like you're texting your customers, letting them know that their orders have shipped. But you can really put anything in the text box. That's just what I decided to do for this one. First thing I'm going to do is grab my model. And if you are new here, this is my favorite stock model. She knows she's my favorite stock model. I literally buy every photo that she posts. I will link the photos in the description if you need stock models for your designs. Be sure to check her out. So basically what I'm doing is just positioning them how I think I want the photos to be. I'm probably gonna move them around just a bit, but as of right now, this is how I want them. I'm gonna make sure they're spaced out like this. All right, so that's pretty much where I want them to be. I'm probably gonna move them around, but yeah. So now I'm just gonna put like a pink overlay over pretty much one of the photos to make it look like the wallpaper of a phone. The other two, I'm gonna bring them to the front because they're not a part of the phone really. So I want you to be able to see them. It's gonna make this that same pink color, and Canva automatically pulls colors from your designs. Like you can see her skin color, and then like the color of her dress, and then of course this pink is the color of the boots. If you want a more precise color, I guess you could use the dropper tool and just drag along your photo to find colors that match, that go with your design. So with the rectangle, I'm going to turn the transparency down, see, so it looks like she's faded out just a little bit, because she is going to be, like I said, the wallpaper of the phone. So what I'm going to do is grab an iPhone. I like the realistic ones. I want the one with the shadow though. Oh. Let me see. There's one with like a shadow at the bottom of it. I guess I should have put it. There it is. Okay. And I'm just gonna place it right over her as if she's on the phone screen. I'm gonna move her photo down just a little bit. Okay, like that. And as you can see, their arms are her arms, I keep thinking it's like more than one person, are inside of the phone. So I'm just going to I guess move them over a little bit. So it's not showing too much. All right. So what I'm going to do is create a text bubble, like a notification. And to do this, I used a rectangle and just rounded the corners. But they do have this one that already has the corners rounded. You just have to like play with it to get it the size and shape that you want it. Which to me is a lot harder. But I think, yeah, you could change it on this. So like, yeah, like that. So I wanted it to be the exact color of the notifications that you get on an iPhone. I created one for a mock-up I did for a client, and this is the color that I pulled from an actual notification. So I'm just gonna click the one that I want to change, come up here to the color picker, and just make it that same color by using the dropper tool like that. Alright, so it is going to be like a text message, a SMS notification. So I need another one of these, but this time it's going to be green, as if we received a text message. And I'm going to hold shift and resize it so it'll all be the same size all around, and just play with it until I get it that shape that I want it. You know what? Let's try a rectangle. Hold shift to keep it the same size all the way around, and then just round the corners that way. Let's see how that works. Yeah, see, that's easier. Yep. So grab a rectangle, resize it to the size that you want it, and then round the corners. And hopefully I can find that green again, because that was really perfect. Okay, so this is going to be our messaging icon. So what I need now is like a text bubble. That's a good one. And all I have to do is resize this one and fit it into the middle of that square like that, and boom. So right here, you know, it usually says like messages, and then you type the message under there. So I'm going to hit T on the keyboard to bring up a text box. And then I'm going to type messages. And I actually like this font, but I want it to be a little bit thicker. So I'm just going to get the regular one. Yes, like this. And then I'm going to copy it and place it here, and then just type in the message to my followers. Alright, so I just typed, "Hey babe, your order has been shipped. Check your email for tracking information." So this is just like a Instagram flyer you post it to your page just to let your customers know, hey, you got an email, your order is on the way. Go check your email for your tracking. Okay. So pretty much that is the flyer. I wanted to keep it simple, real cute, focus on the message, and of course our gorgeous models. But you can add like backgrounds. You can put your logo, you can put your website, you know, the things that we usually put on a flyer. But I like it how it is, really simple. So if you do recreate this flyer, please tag me, because I want to see it. I love to see y'all work when y'all recreate things. But that's pretty much it for the tutorial, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check out our subscribers favorite or watch this playlist to learn more.